I'm Belinda. I'm a trader. I love trading. I started in 2017, made quite a bit of money up the bull run. Who doesn't make money when the markets are going up? I learned very hard lessons when it came down, and that's when I decided I need to learn. So I started learning trading analysis. Then I started telling everybody they must get into Bitcoin, they must get into the cryptocurrency world. And so I got my brother-in-laws interested. And so I created a group to start teaching them and to help them with their cryptocurrency. So that's how I started. And now I just want to share my journey with everybody. So let me show you what I do, and then you can decide if you want to do it with me and if you want to learn with me. Okay, so I teach you trading analysis. Okay, so I have my YouTube channel, which I do every now and then. I do a Bitcoin update, which I post on social media as well. And then I've got all my training videos, so I'll be adding to these as well, so that you can go through them and learn trading analysis. Okay, so here on Telegram, I have my trading group. And over here, I will post, things to remember, things to learn by, things I've learned by. I give you updates on Bitcoin, weekly, hourly, daily charts. I'll give you good trading setups to know when to buy. And then obviously also like this rose I gave this yesterday, and it's up 22% today. Here I gave a setup for NACA. I just said double bottom and bouncing, and obviously take profit levels. And as you can see today, 113% gains profit from NACA. So I give profitable trading setups. And then obviously I also go through the S&P 500, because normally what the stock markets do, Bitcoin follows. So we follow everything. If you decide to do this with me, I also have a book of all trading tips and stuff that I can share with you as well, that I will send to you. If you like what you see, if you like what I do, then email me or message me, and we can help you get started on the group.